So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to sub on a sandstone coaster. If you want to see how to do it, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do sublimation and sewing videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing. Please consider subscribing and joining my YouTube channel. Let's just jump into this video. So for this project, you're gonna need your design, your sandstone coaster, some butcher paper cut down to the size of your coaster that you need, some heat tape, and I'm gonna be using this silicone mat from Hobby Lobby. You've seen me use this a bunch of times. This can withstand high temperatures. This is in the aisle with like the heat guns and all of that. I love to use these when I do ceramic ornaments and slates and things like that. So we're gonna start off by taking our coaster. You can clean it with rubbing alcohol if you want. I'm just gonna pass my hand. Then you're just gonna take your design. I find it more helpful to just have your design facing up, facing you. Remember, if you're doing a photograph, you want to, well, anything you do with sublimation, you want to mirror it, especially a photograph. So then we're going to turn our coaster. There's two sides to it. There's this matte side, and then there's like this smooth, kind of glossy, not really side, and it's going to be wider than the back. So this is the side you want to sub on. So you can put it down. Make sure you made your design a little bit bigger than the coaster. Kind of move it where you want it, and then you're just gonna start taping it down to your paper. And with these, I find it helpful to have as much tape as possible to kind of prevent it from shifting, because it's gonna want to shift because it's a smooth surface. So you want to make sure you tape it down really good, and before you press, you want to make sure that it's lined up how you want it to be lined up. So now it's ready to go to your heat press. Now we're gonna take our coaster. I'm gonna put butcher paper down. I'm gonna put my coaster on top. You wanna again make sure that your design is where you want it to be. I'm just gonna fold over my butcher paper on top. And then I'm gonna take my silicone mat and I'm gonna put that on top. And now I'm just going to press at 360 for 60 seconds. You want to make sure that your pressure is not too strong where you're breaking it. But you want tiniest bit of resistance, but not too much pressure where it's going to crack. Take my heat gloves, put it down, and just start lifting that paper up. Just like that. So that's how my paper looks. You can see the difference between what it used to be. And then you just want to take the tape off and put it to the side to cool down, because it's going to be really hot. How cute are these? I ended up pressing mine for longer than 60 seconds. I actually pressed mine for 3 minutes, to be honest. I don't know if it was my heat press or what, but it was just not subbing well for 60 seconds. It just didn't fully sub. So 3 minutes for me is what got this result. But I love how it turned out. The colors are vibrant. These would make a great housewarming gift. They do come with the cork backing that you're supposed to put on the back, but I'm gonna be honest, I don't know where it's at. I don't know, my daughter took it. I have no clue where this thing is at. So what I think I'm gonna do is, you know, Dollar Tree sells those cork adhesive boards. I'm gonna put that on the back of this, but they're super cute. I'm gonna have them linked down below. Let me know if you guys try this. I hope this video helped you out in knowing how to sub these. I honestly really like using the silicone pad when I sub on ceramic and things like that. I just think it helps so much with it. But yeah, let me know if you guys try these out. They'll be linked down below. They're awesome. They're just awesome. I actually really like these. So thank you guys again for watching my video. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.